दोस्तों हम लोग देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो में 150 इंपॉर्टेंट ऑनलाइन जुडिशियल एग्जाम के लिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन ऑर्डर पास्ड अंडर सेक्शन 151 सीपीसी इज, तो इसका राइट आंसर है नॉट रिव्यूएबल। नेक्स्ट है, मॉर्गेज बाय डिपॉजिट ऑफ टाइटल डीड्स एज कार्ड, तो इसका राइट आंसर है usufructuary मॉर्गेज। नेक्स्ट है, ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाय माइनर इज एब्सोल्युटली वॉइड, दिस वाज लेड डाउन एट मोहरी बीवी वर्सेस धर्मदास घोष। नेक्स्ट है, एक बात आपको याद रखनी है, मतलब जो जुडिशियल एग्जाम्स में प्रीलिम्स में 10 से 15 केसेस पूछे जाते हैं। एमपी जुडिशरी में मतलब 10 से 15 केसेस पूछे जाने की संभावना है। रेवेन्यू ईयर कमेंसेस फ्रॉम 1 अक्टूबर। व्हाट रेट कैन बी इशूड फॉर एन इलीगल डिटेंशन, सो रेट ऑफ हैवियस कॉर्पस। और रेट महत्वपूर्ण है टॉपिक, एक आध दो क्वेश्चन प्रीलिम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट है, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑब्जर्व दैट लेबर टेकन फ्रॉम प्रिजनर्स विदाउट पेइंग प्रॉपर रिम्यूनरेशन कम्स विद इन फोर्स्ड लेबर, तो इसका राइट आंसर है दीना वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। और केसेस काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, पिछले 2-3 साल के केसेस आपको पढ़ना है। नेक्स्ट है, अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज अ राइट टू सस्पेंड द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स ड्यूरिंग प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ इमरजेंसी, सो इसका राइट आंसर है आर्टिकल 359। नेक्स्ट, द प्रोविजन ऑफ रेस जुडिकाटा आल्सो अप्लाई टू एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ अ डिग्री, सो ये ट्रू है। रेस जुडिकाटा और रेस सब्जुडिस ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हैं। द प्लेंट shall be rejected in the following ground also, where it is not filed in 2 copies. Immovable property does not include timber, ये true है। Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is in agreement. Which section of CBC prohibits arrest or detention of women in the execution of decree of money, so section 56. Who described jurisprudence as lawyer extraversion, so Julius Stone। The constitutional basis of precedent in India is Article 141. Satyacharan versus Devarajan cases is related to res judicata. No appeal shall lie from a decree passed by the court with the consent of the parties. It is provided in section 96(3). Who was the chairman of National Commission to review the working of the Constitution? Honorable Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya. Dispute between states in India came to the Supreme Court under original jurisdiction. Satyavrat Ghosh versus Magniram is related to doctrine of frustration. A mortgage by deposit of title deeds is called equitable mortgage. What is not required in gift consideration? Standard rent may be fixed by rent control authority. A contract with or by a minor is void contract. Tender is an invitation to offer. A contingent contract is a contract becomes void when the events becomes impossible. Fraudulent transfer is voidable. In a case of a gift, if the donee dies before the acceptance, the gift is void. Novation of a contract means, so novation का मतलब है substitution of a new contract in place of original contract. Next, agriculture year means the year commencing on 1st July. Under section 44 MPLRC, an appeal from the original order of commissioner lies to Board of Revenue. All revenue officer in a division shall be subordinate to commissioner. Thus the summon for service on the defendant can be given to the plaintiff under Order 5 Rule 9A CPC. Section 115 CPC provides for the following revision: rejection of plaint mentioned under Order 7 Rule 11 CPC. Order 23 CPC applies for following withdrawal of suits. Under which explanation constructive res judicata explained? Section 11 explanation 4. A decree may be executed by either by the court which passed it or by the court which it sent. Begging agreements are void and not enforceable by law. Change of nature of obligation in a contract is known as novation. The principle of assessment of damages for breach is given in Headley versus Baxendley. ये important case है. The case of Hochester versus Dela 2 deals with anticipatory breach of contract. तो एक वीडियो हम लोग स्पेशल केसेस से रिलेटेड देखेंगे। द quorum for meeting of the house of the pupil constitute 1/10 of the total member. तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन और आंसर देख रहे हैं, और ये 150 मतलब क्वेश्चंस हैं। Antonym for fetter liberate, antonym for nullify astound, synonym for forbid prohibit. First law commission was set up in year 1955. An unlawful assembly must consist of at least 5 persons. The term consensus ad idem means meeting of mind together. The contract of ubi remi fidi means a contract of absolute faith. Ex nudo pacto non oritur exio means an agreement without consideration is void. The doctrine of lis pendens applicable during the pendency of the proceedings. The Limitation Act brought into force 1964. Period of limitation for recovery of money is 3 years. The offence under section 138 of NIA is to be tried by judicial magistrate of first class or metropolitan magistrate. Section 10 of the Specific Relief Act provides for the contract which can be specifically enforced. Proper appeals have been provided under Order 44 CPC. Dismissal in default is not a decree. Pecuniary jurisdiction of the court has been described under Section 6 CPC. Principle of res judicata applies to suit as well as execution proceeding. The question of title is irrelevant under Section 6 SRA 1963. A specific relief can be granted for enforcing individual civil rights. The provision of Section 3 Limitation Act 1963 are mandatory. Provision relating to set off and counterclaim under CPC, so Order 8. Constructive res judicata कहाँ है? Section 11 Explanation 4. Provision of Section 80 CPC are mandatory. Collector may appoint receiver. Order 40 Rule 5 CPC. How much time is required for serving a notice under Section 80 CPC? 2 months. Which section TPA deals with rule against perpetuity? Section 14. TPA defines charge. Section 100. 53A TPA deals with doctrine of part performance. यूनिवर्सल डोनी कहाँ है? तो सेक्शन 128 में. सेल इन TPA defined under Section 54. Condition restraining alienation of property is given under Section 10 TPA. Doctrine of subrogation applies to mortgage. In which cases the Supreme Court upheld constitutionality of CPC Amendment Act 1999 and 2002. Salem Advocate Bar Association Tamil Nadu versus Union of India. Voluntary amendment provided under Order 6 Rule 17 CPC. Provision based on doctrine of acceleration under TPA is Section 27. A tender is an invitation to offer. An agreement and restraint of marriage is void. Which revenue officer is competent to take action under 248 and 250 MPLRC? Tahsildar Revenue. Under MPLRC, what rights of village entered in Bajebular record? Only the right to irrigation, right to bay and right to easement. Only other easement. Under which section MP Accommodation Control Act provided for fixation of provisional rent? So Section 13(2). URL का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. तो 1-2 फुल फॉर्म पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम में. IC chips used in computers are made up of silicon. Word processing, spreadsheet and photo editing are example of application software. Computer speed is measured in which of the following? So MIPS. Nebulous, best meaning VAGUE, vague. Garnishee is a person who is debtor of judgment debtor. Under CPC the number of adjournments are limited to 3. Provision for settlement of dispute outside a court has been provided under Section CPC 89. The doctrine of full faith and credit is inserted in Article 261 of Constitution of India. GST was introduced by 101 Constitutional Amendment. Next, a pauper suit means suit by indigent person. Second appeals under Section 100 CPC lies before High Court. Provision for financial emergency laid down under Article 360. Deal creditor agent is a kind of mercantile agent. Which article of Constitution states that the Constitution may be called the Constitution of India? Article 393. Provision for financial emergency laid down under Article 360. Provision for administrative tribunal was added in Constitutional Amendment 42nd. Contract of insurance is a contract of indemnity. 53A TPA deals with part performance. Which of the following mortgages can be made without writing? So equitable mortgage. In pari delicto means in case of equal fault or guilt. Principle of stare decisis is incorporated in Article 141 of Constitution of India. Declaratory decree can be granted under Section 34 SRA. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डबल जीओपार्डी मीन्स नो पर्सन कैन बी प्रोसिक्यूटेड एंड पनिश्ड फॉर द सेम ऑफेंस मोर देन वंस। प्रोविजन फॉर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज हैज बीन एडेड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 97th अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2011, इन विच केसेस कैन जे एक्ट डिक्लेयर्ड अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट। सुप्रीम कोर्ट एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड एसोसिएशन वर्सेज यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। Non-joinder of necessary party in a suit will lead to dismissal of suit. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. Cordial का अपोजिट क्या है? hostile. Veracity का एंटोनिम क्या है? falsehood. Forward का अपोजिट है yellow. A receiver CPC में है is an officer of court. Remedies available against ex party decree include all of these: appeal, review, application for setting aside the degree. CPC में right to appeal क्या है? ये vested right है। A suit may be instituted by a minor in his name by next friend. Procedure for suits relating to matters concerning the family is given in Order 32A CPC. Offences under NIA are compoundable under Section 147 NIA. One who makes an official examination of accounts auditor. Antonym of word fake is genuine. Subrogation is related to this section of TPA 92. In which transaction no interest in property is created. License. Provision for setting aside ex parte decree is Order 9 Rule 13. The court can issue a commission for scientific investigation under Order 26 of CPC Rule 10A. Computer printer is output. 1 nibble is equal to 4 bit. Computer language Java was developed by Sun Microsystem. Which command is used to add a new slide in the current presentation in PowerPoint? So Control plus M. You can use Control plus C to copy and Control plus V to paste a file. A promise to pay time barred debt is enforceable. Internet is an example of LAN. Where a row and a column meet is called a cell. Next, Control plus Z equal to undo last action. CPC में कहाँ डिफाइन है? मैसने प्रॉफिट सो सेक्शन 212 में। रेस सब जुडिस का मतलब क्या है? स्टे ऑफ सूट। प्लीडर कहाँ है? CPC में 215 में। द पीरियड ऑफ लिमिटेशन फॉर फाइलिंग अ सूट फॉर डैमेजेस फॉर डिफामेशन इज 1 year. The period of limitation for filing a suit for possession under Section 6 SRA is 6 months. Suit for arrears of maintenance can be filed within 3 years. If no period of limitation is provided in Limitation Act, the proceedings can be instituted within 3 years. Right to appeal from original decree has been provided under Section 96 CPC. Indian Contract Act came into force on 1st September 1872. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बाल्फर वर्सेस बाल्फर डील्स विद इंटेंशन टू क्रिएट लीगल रिलेशनशिप। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट केस से इंपॉर्टेंट केसेस एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फीडिंग द ग्रांट बाय स्टोपल इज गिवन अंडर TPA सेक्शन 43। आर्टिकल सेक्शन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में दोस्तों काफ़ी पूछे जा रहे हैं। डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ इलेक्शन कहाँ है? सेक्शन 35 TPA में है। डॉक्ट्राइन और केसेस। प्रिजम्पशन इन फेवर ऑफ होल्डर अंडर NIA सेक्शन 139। मिटिगेट का अपोजिट क्या है? एग्रावेट। ऑब्सक्योर का अपोजिट है एक्सप्लिसिट। और एंटोनिम्स और अपोजिट काफ़ी पूछे जाते हैं। दोस्तों आप वीडियो को लाइक कर लीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। थैंक यू।